Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. So today I am here with the latest case study. So you can call it how to fix, Google Ads disapproved for compromised site and trademark name. So basically, we had a client who had issues on compromised site, plus trademark claims on his ad, and they tried almost everything. They tried with appealing and everything was rejected, and they were very you know demotivated. So the client came to us and was looking for a quick reapproval. So we are glad that we were able to get it restored within 96 hours, including Sunday. So that is a very successful uh, case study. So let's get started on this case study on how to fix disapproved ads for compromised site and trademark claims in Google Ads. Apart from this, I will also show you, the account, and we even did it without even appealing. Uh, so that is another thing as well, that on the account, when you have a disapproved ad, you have to appeal on the account within a specific ad. We didn't have to do it, but rather we did a manual review through our Google support. And what we did and how to fix, I'm going to show you step by step in this video. So let's get started with me on this thing. Okay, so here you can see that the client is saying that I have been appealed with the problem, but the appeal have been declined. So this is what with me. I will also show you other images as well. This is an appeal of a account. You can see over here as well. If I zoom in front of you, you can see that trademark in ad text and compromise side. You can see over here that the account is primarily suspended for two reasons: compromise side and trademarks in text ad. So whenever there is a project like this, we always work in a team. You can see more things as well. Again, the issue is same. You are either seeing the trademarks in ad text or compromised. In case if you see more extensions have, there was also restricted vertical housing issue as well. So 128 ads being disapproved for someone who is running ads is very frustrating. So this was another reason over here. So you can see more if I show you more. Okay, so when we had a discussion with the Google team, before going to the Google team, what we did, I'm going to show you. Uh, we always do our malicious test, uh, speed test, broken link, null theme or plugin, all plugins check, all website pages, source code check. Because sometimes there is a virus someone has put in the source code of your ad, I mean on your website, and you don't know. And all ads and Google Ads account complete audit. Here in this audit, we go to A to Z to see if there is any issue on the account. We go to A to Z to see everything. So once you do it, we also look on the past history of the website and account. Then we do IP check. Okay, with the IP check, we actually see if there is any several websites being hosted on your website which are spammy or have issues. We do IP check as well. Once we are done with these issues, simultaneously, we start our discussion channel with Google as well on the issues, because we wanted to get it escalated as soon as possible. And I will also show you communication. Apart from this, I will also show you the account, which is restored and now running without even appealing on the account, but rather we did a manual appeal through the Google dedicated manager we have, because I told you that we are a Google partner company. Apart from this, we also run several other tests like robots.txt file, uh, any claims on your website which you do not happen to have, your phone number check, uh, email forms check, content check, plagiarism check. Plagiarism, if I am able to write it well, plagiarism, yeah, Google did it for me. Plagiarism check. And then there are several more. We have around 170 checklist. Okay, we got this checklist after doing an extensive accounts of GMC, Google Merchant Center, G Ads account, restoration. We got a combined list, and through that we they started working on it, that there could be an issue, there could be an issue, there could be an issue on the website. And then we did all of the stuff, and then when we started the channel discussion with the Google. So let me show you as well on that as well. So this was, the Google team suggested us that thank you for your patience. I'm going to show you as well. Thank you for your patience. But before we proceed with the review of the website, kindly confirm from your website the removal of bad links, nicklovehome.live. Please ensure that you check the offending URL across all platforms of your website. In addition to that, please specify the measures you webmaster took in order to ensure that the malicious links are not revoked and the site is secure. So with the malicious, the same strategy is for Google Ads disapproved for malicious compromised site trademarks and malicious ads as well. Okay, we also sort out other issues as well, but these are the most popular as well. So this could be possible reasons as well. So we worked on that as well. I will show you that as well. So you guys have to bear with me, because that you can see that originally the client tried himself, but they were able to fail. So we did a discussion. This is from our MCCR steps. So we did them again. It's always a team work, and it's not a single person who is working all the time, but again it's a team. So that this is a response from them that hi to one of our team member. Thank you for your response. After contacting our specialist team once again on your issue, it has been confirmed that the latest scan on this domain came back clean, and the domain is free from marketing malvertising violation. The domain should be fully re-enabled to serve ads once the system synchronization in a few hours. It may take up to 48 hours. We recommend re-uploading the ads for faster processing. In case the ads are still down, there might be a possibility of other non malvertising violations. Please use a policy manager to check and appeal accordingly. If you have any further questions, feel free to reply. Now I'm going to show you the account as well. So now we are going to be landed in an account. So you can see over here that the ad was running for this period. The ad was being stopped, and right now the ads restarted. Right, this you can match with the data as well. And there is no sign of suspension. Ads are eligible, enabled. And if I show you today, so you can see that the clicks are coming, the spends is going right now. And I will also show you the policy manager as well, so you guys can confirm it as well. So this is the policy manager. And you know that if I show you the appeal history as well, you can see that the compromise site was failed over here. Compromise site was failed, but we didn't did anything over here, and we got it back up and running. So and I also show you as well that the account is being started running right now after a while. And I also showed you the Google email as well, which clearly shows that the account has been restored. I also demonstrated the steps we have taken. Sometimes with the plugins, there are sometimes there are some null plugins as well which are causing the issue as well. So these are the few of the steps we actually followed it, and the account is started working well. So in case if your Google ads have been distributed from malicious software, trademark claim, destination does not match, like they still have some ads being distributed from a destination not working, but that is a very minor issue. We can even sort those compromise side. We can even help with all of them. And if there are circumventing system policy is also one of the reasons why your ads are being distributed. We can even help in those circumventing system policy approvals as well. Also, if you need help in Google ads suspension, or in case if you need help with the Google merchant center suspension, or even in case if you need Google ads management, Facebook ads management, SEO management, or landing page services, me and my team can help you with this. And guys, if you like this video, I want you guys to make sure to like and share this video. Also, in case if you still have any questions left over here, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, because we try to be very detailed. But again, it's a teamwork, and it took us around 96 hours to get it restored. So it's a teamwork. We try to do it as soon as possible. But still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And I request you guys, to make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So thank you for watching my videos, and take care, and bye bye. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.